Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about the how to automate the Maven project using the Jenkins Freestyle job. Okay, before start the automation, if you are new on my channel, please do the subscribe the channel and share this channel with your friends who are needed to learn the DevOps. Okay, so I will request you guys, please watch my video from starting to the till end, then only you can understand the complete concept. Okay, let's begin the automation using the freestyle job. So whenever you are working in the project, first of all you have to know the manual steps. First you gather the manual steps from the developer. You are working in any project, you have to sit with the developer and you have to collect the manual steps from the developer and you have to execute that once in your any server. Okay, once you executed, you get some steps. For example, how we can automate our any manual steps. For first we will collect the manual steps. Manual step for Maven project. Okay, first you need the URL, project URL, right? This is our freestyle job. This is our sample project. Copy it here. Then for creating the package, we need the goal, right? That goal is the we run manually mvn package, right? These are the steps to create the package of our Maven project. So when you get to know these steps, if you know them manually, if you run these commands manually, then only you can understand how these packages will be built. Okay, now we will set up the one freestyle job using our manual step. First login into the Jenkins server. I had just logged in. For creating the freestyle, just click on the new item, give the any name, for example test, click on the freestyle project and press it OK. Before going to understand our web console of our Jenkins, just I will do one thing, means whatever we run manually, just I will put it and we can run the manual steps. Now go to the build step and execute the shell. In the execute the shell section, you can run any commands. Okay, for clone the project, we run the git clone or project URL, right? I think you are remembering in the previous session we executed this manually, right? Then you have to log in into the your project. Then you have to run the mvn package. These are the steps which we run manually in the previous session. Just save it and execute it. So now our project is building. So it is failed. Why it is failed? So now you can see it is detected the 3.6.0 Maven. In our server we have the two Mavens. One is the 3.6.3 and we have the 3.9.6, right? If we are having the two Maven, then go to the configure and give the complete path of your Maven command. Here we have the Maven installed into the /opt. Inside that we have the Apache Maven. Inside that we have the bin. Here we have the Maven, right? So run the pwd command Copy this location, paste it here. Now you can build it. Again it is failed. So whenever you are creating the you are cloning the project manually, it's already exists. Because of that it is failing. So this is the drawback, but I will show you how to build that. Cd var lib Jenkins. Inside the workspace we had created the our job name. Inside that it is cloned. Sudo, I will remove it, rm-rf. Now we are not having any project inside the workspace. Okay, whenever you run the project it will create a workspace with your project name. Now you can build it. So it's building the our package. So now let's see, will it be success or not. Now you can see our project has success. So if you know the manual steps, it is very easy to automate without knowing the Jenkins completely also. Okay, if you don't know the manually, then you don't know the why it is failing, why it is failing the our job. So now just we had run the manual process into the Jenkins job. Before before automating that, we need here solution. For example, we have the two Mavens, Maven 3.6.3 and Maven 3.9.6 is installed into the your server. If you are dealing with the multiple packages, just you have to set up that into the tool section into the Jenkins. For setting that, you have to go inside the manage Jenkins, go inside the tools, scroll down here. Here you can see Maven installation. Add the Maven, click on the add Maven. Here you can give the any name. For example, I have the Maven 3.9.6. Uncheck it and give the path here. Complete path of your Maven, where it is located, cd/opt Apache Maven. So this location is required here. Copy this location, slash, okay, and save it. Now we will set up the automation for this Maven project using the freestyle job. Create new job, give the name, any name here, sample project. Click on the freestyle, click it on OK. So we have the Git repository with us. Just you can click on the Git, copy the URL and paste it here. If you are working with the private repository, you have to pass the credential here. My branch is the master. My Git branch is the master. Then go to the build step here. Click on the invoke top level Maven target. Instead of the selecting here default Maven version, just select our version which we mention into the tools. And here you can specify the package. Save it and click on the build now. Now you can see our project is building. So you can see we are successfully build our project, right? So if you need the your jar package, this is the location of your jar package. In this way you can automate the any manual process using the Jenkins. If you know the manual steps properly, then automation is the very easy. So just practice manually and also using the freestyle job. That's it from my end. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, do subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.